back to Cooking with the Salmons, and this is Greg. Now today I'm going to be bringing to you for the first time ever Sorrel Gummy Bears. Alright? Now I've always tried to find new recipes to incorporate within my YouTube videos. However, everything I create, I always tend to find someone else has already done it on YouTube. Now this is the first one that no one has done it before, and if it is not on YouTube, that means it does not exist. All right, so before we go ahead and jump into that video, let's go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Hit that post notification bell as well so you'll be notified each time we post. All right, don't forget to hit that like button and also that share button. Share with your friends. Now sorrel is the petals of a particular species of hibiscus plant. We normally have that at around Christmas time in drink form. All right, now without further delay, let's get started. Okay guys, so these are the ingredients that we're going to be using for our sorrel gummy bears. All right, now this is a new recipe that I'm trying. I don't think it has ever been done before, but we're going to go ahead and get it done. All right, so what we have here, we have our sugar, we have our sorbitol, we have our agar powder or agar powder. We also have our sorrel. We have our gummy bear molds that you can get on Amazon. I'm going to link to where you can get this on Amazon. We also have our droppers. All right. Now we're going to be using 1 cup of sorrel for this recipe. We're going to be using 1.5 tablespoons of sorbitol. And the sorbitol is basically a low-calorie sweetener, but it does give the gummy bear that texture that you need, that chewy texture. We also have 2 tablespoons of the agar or agar. That's the substitute for the gelatin. You can also use gelatin if you choose. All right, and I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons of sugar. All right. Now you can use between 2 to 5 tablespoons. It's really based on your sweetness tolerance or how sweet you want your gummy bears to be. All right. So we're gonna go ahead now and get over to the stove and show you exactly how it's done. Okay, guys. So in a small saucepan, we're gonna be adding our sorrel mixture. All right. That's our sorrel. We're gonna be adding our agar or agar powder, because this has more than one pronunciations. People pronounce it, I guess, the way they choose to. Now we're going to be adding our sorbitol, and we're going to be adding our sugar. All right, now we're going to be putting this to heat. We're going to be putting the stove to medium-high heat. And we're gonna have this boil for about 2 minutes. And then we'll be ready. Okay guys, so we'll give this a stir. Alright. Alright, and after the 2 minutes, it's time to take this off the heat. All right, so next I'm going to go ahead and strain this mixture just to make sure that no clumps or lumps from the agar powder is left back. All right. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and strain my mixture. Okay guys, so with some cooking spray, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of just spray my molds a little bit, just to ensure that the gummy bears get out of the mold easily. All right, it's optional. Sometimes you don't need the cooking spray, but I prefer to use it so that I ensure that my gummy bears come out of the mold easily. Okay guys, so with our dropper, we're gonna go ahead now and pick up some of the mixture. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and fill our molds. All right. And you continue until all your molds have been filled. Okay guys, so now we have our molds filled. We're gonna go ahead and have it sit until it's all set, and then we'll go ahead and reveal. We can also put this in the refrigerator to speed up the setting time. All right. Okay guys, so after a few minutes in the fridge to firm up, or on your counter to firm up, we're gonna go ahead and take them out of the mold now. All right. So simply just push them out like that, because we had already used the oil, the cooking spray, so they come out of their molds very easily. Okay, so these are smaller gummy bears, the mini. All right, and then these are the larger size. And there you have it, Sorrel Gummy Bears made easy. All right. Now, if you gained any knowledge from this video, just go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Hit that post notification bell as well, so you'll be notified each time we post. Don't forget to hit that like button as well, and also share with your friends. All right. Now, if you would like to see any other recipe, you could go ahead and leave that in the comment section as well, and we'll be sure to get to it. All right. And until next time, walk good, one love, and big up on yourself.